Sunday, and we're getting ready for the week. By giving y'all a nice little breakdown. You know what I'm saying? So I used to do these breakdowns all the time, pretty consistently when I started this YouTube channel last year. So now I'm gonna try to pick things up, try to make this more. No, we're not gonna try. I'm not going to keep saying try. We're going to make this consistent. Every Sunday, we're gonna show up and we're gonna break these markets down to prepare for the week ahead. I've also been thinking about creating, I don't know, maybe like a little private chat or something like that. Maybe Discord, Telegram chat. Let me know. Let me know. But yeah, let's get this thing started. First thing I'm gonna look at is GJ. So as y'all know, at least some of y'all, I took a large L on this last week. So for this week, I'm going to scroll down to the smaller time frames and see what we can potentially look at. As we can see right here, what the heck? So as of currently, we're pretty much ranging, not really going up, not really going down. So typically when I see things like this, I put a box around it and just wait for either a breakout to the upside or the downside. Take that off. So it could go either this way or this way. There's no more that I need to really analyze. Don't overanalyze something that you don't really need to do. Like honestly, that's all I really need to do. Got a box, just gonna wait. Simple as that. Second thing I'm gonna look at is GU. GU obviously was hella bullish last week. We had back to back, bullish, hyper bullish candles. So to scroll down to the smaller time frames, and this was something that I was waiting for last week, that I expected it to possibly take place this week, is a pullback to the downside, which I put right here, a nice pullback to the downside for that continuation move to the upside. Now, originally I expected a pullback all the way back here for that continuation move, but it just kept going. But it is what it is. At some certain point, it's going to happen at some point. We're going to receive a pullback for us to receive an opportunity to enter. That's simply what I'm going to wait for. I would rather enter waiting and entering down here rather than trying to go to smaller time frames. I'm enter right here, which means my stop loss will have to make sense, meaning that it would have to be somewhere down here or right here underneath a low somewhere for it to make sense. And then you have to maintain a positive risk to reward. It's not worth it. I would rather wait for an optimal entry zone, wait for a higher low, put stops below it, and we just ride it from there. Gold. Let's go on the daily. Gold. Bullish. I'm not gonna take too much time on that. Just look at it. Bullish. But as of right now, and what it's been doing since last week, is ranging. You see all of these wicks, and it's pretty much ranging in this zone. So same thing like I did earlier. I'm gonna put a box around this entire zone and just wait. Wait for a breakout to the upside or the downside. Simple as that. But yeah, like I said, still bullish, still expecting price to break to the upside, but you never know. It could break to the downside temporarily. So that's why I placed that box there. Then UJ, I'm not going to keep this long at all. I drew this fib last week, clean as a bug. This clean fib. Came down here. Shaky on the 0.382. There's more so a 0.236, meaning that we're expecting a continuation from here, and it's not really clarifying as a lower high. But I mean, overall, I'm expecting that push to the downside, and typically I would put this little green zone indicating my take profit zone. Take profit zone. So expecting price to hit there most definitely by the end of this week. EJ bullish. Curious as to how it will react to this area of resistance up here, as it already tapped it once and twice. Like Come on. Once here and twice. So it could come up again and it could just come down, create lower highs, or it could completely break above and head to the upside. But we're just gonna have to wait. Obviously, within the last week, we received a lot of bullish pressure as it broke these previous highs, came up, created another higher low right here. So a lot of bullish signs that we are seeing, but I'm still gonna wait for that. I drew this green low zone right here because I did have a fib last week. I believe it was from point A, point B, point C, point D. So perfectly hit that negative 0.27. But yeah, we're just gonna have to wait for that. Then lastly, AU. AU for the most part on the weekly, I mean, not so attractive, if I'm being honest, as it's not really trending, and I prefer to trade during trending markets. But I can try my best to extrapolate something and try to make sense of what I'm seeing and to, in a sense, create an opportunity for us for this incoming week. So right here, on the from a broader scale of things, we're bullish, and from a perspective of, let's go to the 4 hour. If we were to place a fib from, let's do like this point A. No, I don't like that. Let's do from here. Yo, tighten up. Like point A to point B, and then point C right here, right? So looking at it from that perspective, this is bullish, and it perfectly aligns with this high right here. So I'm liking the look of that, but if we were to scale down, let's go to the hourly time frame. Recently, we've been bearish as price has breaking this low. It broke this low, and right now it's maintaining this area of resistance. More so like a trend line almost like that. Do this. And I'm just simply just going off of what I'm seeing, just based off what I'm seeing right now. But yeah, as of right now, we are bearish. Like, we're bearish. I'm noticing this kind of triangle wedge, whatever you want to call it, that is within right now. It could either break to the upside of that or to the downside. But let me go to that 2 hour time frame where we really just have this area of resistance. Let me put this low zone right here over that entire area. So we can definitely expect a break above that, just like a break above this entire area for that pullback and push. So looking forward to that. Looking on the 4 hour, I also noticed that the moving average is below price, which is a good thing if we're looking for buys, if we're looking for longs. That's something that we would like to see, is the moving average to be below it, almost like a dynamic support zone, if you want to call it. But yeah, I like the look of this. We're just gonna have to wait. Expecting tomorrow, honestly, for this to break to the upside. Higher low. I mean, I like it. Yeah. I think that's it though. That's it. If I want to add one more, Bitcoin, we down bad. When I say me, I mean we, I mean me. I'm down bad. Nah, that's crazy. But hey, no risk, no reward. So I'm chilling. It is what it is. I have a good amount of my capital in this asset right now, and I still expect for it to continue bullish long term. I understand with investments, most people think so short term that they would get out immediately here. I'm choosing to stay in because I know, and I really just understand. I'm more of aware of how important it is right now, not only right now, but how important it will be in the future, as Donald Trump and folks around him have aligned with Bitcoin heavily, and I believe he just used it, or what's the word I'm looking for? He brought it up as a reserve for the U.S. So similar to a gold, just an asset that people can use as a safe haven to park their money just in case anything has happened for the upward expectancy. So Bitcoin is around 80,000 right now. I'm not stressing. I'm not panicking right now. All we can do is just hold. Like, honestly, just hold. Don't get out. Don't get out. This is the perfect time to get in. Honestly, don't be the scared one. Don't be the prey. Be the predator. Get in. Take the risk. You know what? I ain't gonna say too much. I'm not a financial advisor, so I'm just providing you all with some of the knowledge, information that I know, and just transferring it to you. It's up to you. Whatever you want to do with it, feel suit. But yeah, this is it for the breakdown. Now catch y'all. Let's just have a good week. Honestly, a great trading week. Catch every opportunity that is presented to you from the market. Don't rush anything. And yeah, man, don't risk your entire account like me. So yeah, I'll catch y'all.